Всем привет! I wanted to come on here today and share my happy news with you. I actually have two pieces. My first announcement is that today I am celebrating the first 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Woohoo! Are you subscribed? And the second one is, it did happen. Today, I began working on my first course, which is going to be an introduction to Russian cases. And it's going to be good for anyone who hasn't studied Russian cases yet, or maybe have studied but maybe did not quite grasp some of them or all of them, or needs a refresher, a review. And then after this one, I will add a course on the gender of Russian nouns and also the alphabet. So I'm so excited, it's happening. Yay, coming up soon. Stay tuned.